what flavors is my bubblegum. So I eat a lollipop. Her flavor is actually strawberry. Yung lollipop. At the bubblegum is not made. It actually does. It's actually the bubblegum is made from the lollipop. The lollipop, the bubblegum is inside the lollipop. It's very big. I'm literally in a 7-Eleven. So, guys, what lollipop is what flavor is You said. You just said. Comment below what flavor is that. Because if you got it wrong, it's banana flavor. Don't watch into the video. Stop. Don't really stop watching it. Don't stop watching it. A 7-Eleven. I'm gonna show you if you don't put in it. It's really cold. I literally ate. It's literally It's literally in the morning. It's really cold here. I don't want beer. I gotta be here. Nilalamigan ako. But I'm near the stairs. Right below there is the 7-Eleven. Goodbye. I'm gonna run up a violet and 40 seconds.